To get started, open Google Chrome and go to pintoolbox.com. Click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Then pin it to your toolbar using the puzzle icon. Now head to Pinterest and open any board you want to download. Click the Pin Toolbox icon and it will detect the board and its sections. With the free version, you can download up to 15 pins, but with the Pro account, you can save unlimited images and videos. Just click Extract Images from Board, wait a few seconds, and all your pins will be ready. From here, you can choose specific sections, select all, and download everything as a zip file. Once unzipped, your board is fully saved and organized on your computer. That's it. Pin Toolbox makes backing up and organizing Pinterest boards fast and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.